So, hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here in Angeles City, Pampanga, Philippines, and have pleasure to meet and interview the popular blogger here in Angeles, and his YouTube channel is It's My Life Philippines. So, and Shaira and Leon, welcome to my channel, and thank you for granted my interview.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, finally I met you in person because I am watching also your videos.
Thank you.
Okay, so Leon, please tell viewers where you are from and your content channel and how you meet Shaira.
How meet Shaira? Shaira will explain. Shaira will say.
Okay.
I am from Russia. I was born in USSR. I am 51 years old. And I leave Russia 25 years ago and study and start business in China, in Shenzhen City. I study in Shenzhen University. Before I graduate in Russia, and after finish graduate, I go to China. That's why I'm 15 years I study in business in China.
Okay. And why you are decided to come here in the Philippines?
I not decide go to the Philippines.
Okay.
I meet my friend, Japanese friend. He been in Shenzhen also for like businessman. He is businessman from Japan.
Okay.
And we just talking about where better stay in because in Shenzhen weather sometimes even
Yeah.
is not cold but not comfortable stay. He said better you can go to the Philippines. In the Philippines very good season, January, February is. That's why I think why not.
Yes.
I travel to the Philippines this time. 10 days I've been only in Luzon. So only in Luzon I stay. I've been in Manila, San Fernando La Union, Baguio City, and Vigan also, and Angeles City.
Okay.
Every city 2 days. Why I stay in Angeles? Because it's very close from the airport. Because I need always traveling to China. That's why I stay in the. For me, better stay in
Okay.
Angeles, very close Clark International Airport.
But you never been visiting city outside of Luzon, like Visayas and Mindanao?
Never been. I've been only once. I've been in Puerto Galera.
Okay, in
Only
Palawan.
Puerto Galera, and many places in Luzon. And never been in Cebu, never been in anywhere.
Okay. And why did you settle in Angeles City and no other cities or areas in the Philippines?
Because very good infrastructure in Angeles City. So many foreigner. Also, for my opinion, I've been already. I traveling in many cities in the Philippines, and I live in the big city. And sometimes, if a long time stay in the village, for me not comfortable. That's why I like more comfortable. I like Western foods. Before I not eat Filipino foods. It's only with Shaira I start eat Filipino foods. That's why for me better Angeles.
When you first came here in the Philippines, what was your expression? What would you say about Philippines
First
on your
time.
first time? Yeah.
First time when I been in the Philippines, children's kids
Okay.
snatch my money.
Money? Really?
Yes. That's why I think I never come back to the Philippines. It's Manila airport.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my first day in the Philippines. I walk to my hotel. I just want to buy in 7-Eleven water. It's okay. I not put so much money in my pocket, but
Yeah, so it's lesson learned. It's experience, but
experience.
lesson learned.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Your 3 most popular videos receive over 300,000 views. Okay. all were on talking about walking street and girls available. Why do you think the video were so popular? Because every vlogger has videotape walking street at one time or another.
About walking street video. Before, I start video when during COVID time. My friends from Russia, from USA, from Canada, I have so many friends Russian, but they already live in other countries.
Okay.
They visiting always Angeles City, very interesting walking street. And they say to me, Leon, can you take video for us? What happened now? Because they cannot go to the Philippines, it's already locked down.
Yeah.
And I, of course, take video not for public. But already many asking me, why you post? I post to public, it's okay, not problem. And I start already posting the public, and I bought my camera DJI Pocket 2. Before I never edit video, I don't know about blogging. It's my first time.
Okay.
That's why I start a YouTube channel.
Okay, walking street also is one of the reasons why I visit Angeles, because I saw it in different vlogger, and I would like to experience and to see it in reality. Because I've never been experienced on that.
You never
like
been
that.
in walking street?
No, never. It's my first time. Because when I was on Thailand, I was supposed to visit like that walking street in Thailand, but I didn't have time left. So maybe next time. But now, I would like to experience here.
About your question, where we meet, Shaira will...
Okay, where you meet Leon, Shaira?
So it's 2015, I remember, and I just, what is this? Go outside of SM.
SM City Club.
Yes, it's SM City, Pampanga here in, yes, it's Angeles City. And I just come back to home and I use the bridge there.
Okay.
It's popular bridge. And Leon standing there and waiting. I don't know what he's doing there. It's also his birthday that time. And we just see each other. And he asking me.
Okay.
First, he approached me and he said, if you're available and can you tour me here in Angeles, because I don't know here in the Philippines, in the Angeles City, part of Angeles City. And okay, I said, but in myself or in my feelings, I'm so scared because I have experience before, or my past relationship with foreigner also. That's why I just keep distance myself. And I said, okay. I said, I will grant you your wish. I said, that's why we walk to Astro. So it's okay. And then after that, he said, okay, I will come back to SM again, so that I will meet my sister that time, because I go with my sister and her boyfriend. And he said, okay, I will go also with you. And he said that, okay, can we eat in the restaurant?
Okay.
And I said, no. I said, because I need to go. And that time, we was exchange number already.
Okay.
Facebook exchange, Facebook.
It's Facebook. It's not number.
Facebook is the start.
Yes, Facebook.
Okay.
But it's 1 year we don't have communication.
We have communication, we just not meet 1 year. But communication we sometimes have, because
Yeah.
I busy this time.
Yes, but it's not so like big. What is this? Long time. It's like separate, because I'm busy also in government work before, and I'm also working I have so many work before. That's why I don't have time to reply to him, and I don't have also time to find another voice that time. And
You are focused on working.
yes, I'm focused because it's also important for government. It's document for
Government.
government. That's why I need to finish it and need to pass it already. And after that, he messaged to me. And after that, we each
Continue.
other.
Okay.
Yes, I first time come to her home after maybe 1 year when after we met first time. It's
And-
after 1 year.
And I don't expect that he will come back. He go to my home, and he will gonna say to my mom that, oh, can I have your?
He asked the hands.
Yes.
Your hands from your mother.
Yes.
Oh, how sweet.
But at that time we have only the food is crackers.
Yeah,
It's
that's-
normal food.
yeah.
The Filipino food. If you have visitors.
Yeah.
Because for example, if you are Filipino and you have visitors, you have only like simple food like rice, crackers, like adobo like this. But I don't expect that you're going to my home. That's why we not prepared that time. So even my mom shocked. And after that,
This is it.
this is it, pancit. This
Yeah, this is it, pancit. But even if you have, even if you didn't communicate, but if it's meant to be, meant to be.
Yes,
Yes.
it's meant to be.
Yeah, you are meant to be.
Your destiny. Your destiny.
Yeah, okay. So, vlogging is now on low fall on walking street. So, you cannot video on the walking street now, right? Except privately. Okay. Will you stop referencing walking street in your channel since you can no longer show all the girls in bars? And what is your alternative or options? Because I heard now that in walking street is not allowed to taking video right now.
Who say to you not allowed?
No, I saw it in other vloggers.
No,
It's
as a
allowed?
bloggers, we don't know.
No problem.
We've been already in the mayor's office. They say it allowed, not need any permission. Anyone can take video in public place in the Philippines, same like in your city or in Angeles, or entertainment street in the Angeles city, walking street.
Ah,
So don't worry, you can take video.
Even from from GMA, they go there to take some
Some
television
videos?
yes,
Documentary?
video. Yes, no, it's the
video?
movie.
Okay.
It's they go there to take some video inside the bars even. And I seen right now one foreigner takes some big camera for
Okay. Video
like
tape.
video tape, so it's allowed. It's only so many.
Only private bars, sometimes not allowed. It's depend of bar owner. But in one bar I already been, Korean manager, he speak little bit Russian. He very kind and he allowed me to go to the bar and they take video. So it's depend of bar owner.
So if you are just only making video on the street showing the bar, you can.
You can.
Okay.
Yes, not problem.
But if
Okay.
inside it's not allowed.
It's not allowed. Because what I heard from other bloggers is even outside, you cannot, when you're walking on the street, you cannot make video because it's not allowed. I said, okay.
No.
Maybe they
In the
changed.
Philippines,
It's
only
allowed.
one rules. Same in your city or it's one.
Public place.
It's public place. You can take video.
They own the place,
The place.
so that they can stop us. And I don't know how to say. What is
No, some of people they don't know rules, don't know maybe
Yeah.
low educated people. They can say to us why you take video. They just don't understand what they say.
Yeah,
They-
because I experienced it several times, 2 times I think, when I was in DGC. I made a video and then there is 2 girls, white girls, catch me on the video and then when they realized that I made video, they said to me, just delete the video.
Problem only maybe you can. It's if they don't want in your video, they can say to you, please not upload video to public or blur face. Yes,
Yeah.
they can. Even in YouTube, sometimes if they can say to client to YouTube, it's okay. It's not problem. It's depend of person. But in public, you can take video.
Okay.
If someone asking you, not problem. You can blur face.
Okay.
or you can remove that scene, that part.
Yes.
Yeah, you can delete. Okay. What points of interest in Angeles City or surrounding area would you recommend newcomers to visit or see here in Angeles?
Shaira?
What you can recommend the place here for the newcomers?
In Angeles City, maybe Clark. It's better for me. I will recommend that place in Clark, inside Clark. And also, in Clark, they have also falls there. They have big bridge there. If you want to go there or adventure, you can go there. And they have also, what name of the swimming pool there? They have big swimming pool there. So it's more interesting, and they have big park there. They call it CDC Park. And if you go outside of Angeles, they have also Grotto. They have Monasterio Interlac.
Okay.
And in Walking Street, yes, I will recommend Walking Street for foreigners.
Not only for foreigner walking street.
And also they have, I will recommend also the food there, like Yisan and kimchi there. It's like Korean restaurant. It's more popular here in Angeles City. And what better? No. The Korean restaurant, cafe. The cafe.
About entertainment in the Angeles City, I think it depends on what you like. Most of people come to the Philippines, to Angeles City, very interesting only walking street because they want to meet with girls, they want to drink, sing song. It's for Korean sing song, but most of people want girls. They want to find wife. It's not only for fun. Not all people go to Angeles only to fun. They want to find some of break up with for example, in any country, and want to find because they know Filipina is good in the life.
Yeah.
They can good cook. That's why they already know. So they not only for fun. About what interesting place in Angeles? Yes, of course, it's Clark. Clark, it's very close from the walking street. It's only 20 minutes, maybe 15. Yes, not if you use jeepney or ride motor. Yes, it's very clean. Have so many entertainment, but little bit expensive in the Clark.
Okay.
Because it's if you go to inside the Clark, it's already special economic zone. Inside. Same like Subic, yes, it's a special economic zone, and duty free have also in the Clark, pure gold duty free. You can buy some foods, Western foods, little bit cheaper. I recommended in restaurant also. Go to Germany restaurant, Clarkton Hotel. Clarkton Hotel have restaurant. It's very nice restaurant. Owner is Germany. All foods from the Germany. I think it's also interesting.
Okay.
Also have in the riding Texas, like Texas. Shaira, you know? Shaira will know. Near Park. You can ride horse.
That's what I want to ask. For the adventurous people, what place you can recommend? Because I asked to Philippine Antex, and then they sent me some picture, like air balloons, horse riding, and the airplane. You know, the little airplane that no cover or no. Yeah, where is that located?
The big airplane?
No,
not big,
small
the
airplane.
Small one.
About airplane, we don't have experience, but I know it have very close from the. But about riding horse, it's very close from the Clark International Airport. You just only before entrance to Clark International Airport, 5 minutes before, you can see the place park. It's public park and have horse.
Okay. And Leon, what other Asian countries have you lived in before, and why choose the Philippines, if any?
I've been everywhere. I only except Australia, New Zealand, I never been. But in Africa, all European country, America, I've been before. In Asia, I live already in Asia, 15 years. It's in China. In Shenzhen, it's very close from Hong Kong. Also, I've been in Thailand and as tourist. But living in Thailand, I like. It's good. And we traveling with Shaira before to Thailand. She also like. But problem with visa, because in Thailand only now 120 days Russian people can stay without visa. 120 days. Before only 6 or 30 days can stay 30 days only. And and you need again leave Thailand. That's why it's not easy to live in Thailand or need to student visa or any kind of visa.
Yes.
That's why in the Philippines better because I can stay three years in the Philippines.
Okay.
That's why I prefer the Philippines.
Okay. Good good topic because I'm gonna ask you what type of visa are you in the Philippines on, and do you plan on permanent retirement here or just temporary visit on an occasional basis?
About visa, most of people asking me why you not married Shaira and why you not make change to visa because I have now tourist visa. I think married or it's not big deal for me. Even married, but we live already without married. We live already 8 years. It's and we can live more. I think I think if people married, they can also separate anytime. You know,
exactly.
you know in the Philippines sometimes we have.
There's changes of the situation and you
Yes.
don't know.
So I don't want to only about visa married. That's why I have tourist visa. Every 2 months I extend visa. Now I have extend visa. Shaira, you can sit, no problem. I extend visa now can online. So not need to go to the immigration office. You just only online extend visa, pay Gcash and not need to go. It's easy right now.
Okay. So you have now 6 months staying visa here.
Every 2 months. I can pay for 6 months, but I count better, calculate is for 2 months is better for me.
Okay.
Because maybe after 1 month I will go to another country and come back. Maybe we go to traveling. That's why I not need to for 6 months.
Yeah, because if you have 6 months and then you go outside of the Philippines, you start again another.
Yes.
Okay, that's why. But do you have any plan to get an ACR card?
ACR card I already have.
You have
Yes,
already.
but it's ACR card, it's tourist card.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you cannot extend visa more than 2 months without ICR card. That's why I have ICR card. ICR card in Vangelis City about 4,000 peso.
Okay. And do you believe driving car, motorbike in area is dangerous? Have you tried or driving here?
I driving in many countries. I have big experience in everywhere, and sometimes I rent car when I go to for traveling. In the China, I also long time experience drive car and province in the car. That's why for me it's easy to drive in the Philippines. Even driver sometimes not good drive. Or they not follow rules, I already expect. That's why for me it's easy. Even motor, even car, it's okay for me.
And how's your experience driving here in the Philippines?
Experience. Yes, before when I start drive here in the Philippines, sometimes I want to say bad words to everywhere. Because they want to turn right, for example. I show left or not. Nighttime don't have light. Sometimes you cannot see. So yes, but now they already drive better.
Okay.
10 years ago, when I first time in the Philippines, I'm shocked. Why they not show light? Why not? They turn and show light. They not give way even you. It's very shock for me. But now it's okay.
And what about medical and vehicle insurance coverage? Do you have it? It is necessary to have both coverage. Why or why not?
About insurance.
Yeah, insurance.
I use insurance, Philippines insurance company named MaxiCare.
Okay.
Also Shira have MaxiCare. This is insurance company very nice because it's very comfortable to go to every city, big city have MaxiCare.
Okay.
So, and not expensive.
But right now they don't have the.
Now right now they little bit high price. Before 5,000, now 7,000.
Okay.
Because they don't have the Prima Silver already.
Prima Silver already have, but
Because-
only 2,000 more need pay.
So there is different kind of insurance.
Yes.
Yes.
The Prima Silver can use for conduct some examination like from blood, from pee, from ultrasound, from X-ray, anything with cover with the Prima Silver, they will take. Even
Okay.
Unlimited,
It's
all
unlimited.
unlimited.
Even the doctor. They have also therapists there. They
That's
have-
why we recommended MaxiCare. It's not advertising because it's our experience in the Philippines. My experience. I'm first who, and in my channel also I always to say to even who go to the Philippines like tourist. It's better because if you go to a doctor, you need to pay for doctor $250 minimum.
It's
You-
350 already here
Already
in
three-
Angeles.
Okay.
Yes, if you want to ultrasound in Philippines
700
about
already.
from 700.
700 already.
No, ultrasound full ultrasound is 2,000 peso, but you pay 5,000 for 1 year,
Okay.
and
It's nice.
unlimited test, blood test, all tests.
Anything you want.
Yes.
Every day, if you want.
Every day you can go to a
Yes. If you want.
Okay. Okay, and Leon, have you ever experienced to have health problem here, especially the food?
Yes, of course. I have problem with foods, and I not. I have problem. I with fish. I not recommended buy fish like steam fish outside in the hot place because they cook morning. They cook morning and long time in the hot. This is fish. Better not eat fish in the in outside
Okay.
street foods. But
It's depend on how they cook and how long time stay already in the outside already.
but you know most of Philippines who in sari store they don't have they put like outside they cook and put outside meat it's okay but fish it's faster and bacteria
It's depend how.
and of course I go to a doctor MaxiCare they give me medicine so I have
But
experience.
here in Philippines, it's normal only.
Yes, in the Philippines it's normal if
But
sick.
it depend on the tummy also of
Yeah.
the people.
Yeah, it's
Even
depend
you,
of
if
your-
it's good food for another person, but for you it's not good, so it's different.
No, I say about foreigner. For Filipino, it's okay maybe. I say like I'm foreigner. I don't know,
Okay.
but I like Philippines foods. I like.
Yes, I always cook for him some food,
Ah,
Filipino food.
okay.
Even the fish, galunggong,
Tilapia.
tilapia, tinapa, and hito, bangus. He always eat that one.
Okay.
Yeah, I like Filipino foods.
Fried, yes.
Okay.
But he cannot eat only vegetable, like cooked vegetable. Just fresh only.
Okay. And Leon, in many countries, big age gap between a woman and a man is viewed negatively. What is your opinion on the 10 or more years difference relationship? About
If
age
someone,
gap, yeah.
if someone negative talk with me, for example, if we walk together or
No, because
No,
of the age.
age gap
Gap.
here in the Philippines.
because Shira is now 28, I am 51. For me, I never don't have experience. No one who can say. When we meet, Shira said I am look like 25. I am 40, but I am 40 this time because I am not fat. Like in the Philippines, if we go to Philippines, most of eat more fat now.
Yeah.
And I am more maybe look not older.
Okay.
That is not problem, not
It's
problem.
for him, it don't have problem, but for you know, in Philippines, if they seen like if you have foreigner, they said, oh, you have foreigner.
Yeah, especially old, much more
Yes.
older. There
They
is
will get
negative on that.
negative that time.
I don't know. No one who say to me, and I think not to Shaira, no one who can say to Shaira. Maybe they can steering like not good. I don't know, but
No. Here
it's
in
not problem
Philippines,
for life.
You know, in here in Philippines, if they seen like if you have foreigner, most of guys here, they will say, oh, you're already,
Yeah.
you're not virgin
They said-
already. You're already going to like this because of money. And I will say that it's not good if you're getting discriminate. You're same like Filipina because you're same blood only, and you not need to say something like that because it's depend on the people who will gonna like have relationship or who will gonna be together like this.
Yeah, because here there are some people making judgment, especially older and younger. Like they say, oh, that Filipina take that foreigner, it's because of the money. That's it. There is
No, we
negative-
don't have problem. Don't have.
Okay. Please tell me 5 pros and 5 cons about living in the Philippines. Do any of your cons affect your long-term plan of retirement here in the Philippines?
Little bit not full understand. It's about 5. Because my English, I not full understand.
The 5 negative and 5 positive.
Okay, understand. First from negative. Negative charge you more money if you're foreigner anywhere. For example, you want to take trike, or we say it not 50 peso, we say it 500 peso. I have experience. I take tricycle in Subic. I read already in internet from this place to this place need to pay 100 peso. I said 500. Okay, it's number 1. Children in the street asking money. I cannot. I can give, but I cannot give everywhere. Everyone. Yes, it's. I like if I can give. But I cannot give all. What negative? Not easy to fast because I not prepare for comments. But driving sometimes in the Philippines they not use turning light. But it's not big problem.
What about communicating to people here?
Not problem. Even with my broken English, it's not problem communication. It's not negative. It's okay. Food's good. Price. Expensive potato in the Philippines. It's also it's not negative. Just price for foods, because in my country, even in China, potato it's very cheap. In the Philippines, potato same like chicken. So potato 160 peso or 180 peso, but I can buy chicken for this price. I don't know about negative, need to prepare before, but so many positive.
Okay.
Weather, number 1, it's good weather in the Philippines. Anytime, even rainy season, even typhoon, it's okay, it's very good.
Okay.
Even rain, you not need to so many clothes. Good beaches in the sea for swim. And what is? People nice.
Okay.
Only maybe area near walking street, sometimes maybe people, because they may be drunk. Not so good, but I like people in province, in the far from the entertainment zone. It's good people. They kind, they help to you. Police in the Philippines. I know police in many countries, but in the Philippines, I like communication with police because
Okay.
they can help to you. For example, in Russia, if you faster drive, you can stop you.
Ah,
You can stop you even not over speed. Need to pay.
okay.
Need to pay for everywhere. And but in the Philippines, they not stop you if no reason. If you have problem, they can stop
Yes.
and help to you. So it's big different. In Thailand, very strict police. But in the Philippines, strict, but they help to you. They help to you and explain to you. So, for example, if you turn not allowed to turn, they maybe say to you, not need to turn here. Please next time not.
Ah, yeah.
So, people. It's
Okay. It's nice.
yes, people important.
Okay. A popular foreigner vlogger said on his channel that bar girls make the best wives. Do you after with that opinion or disagree?
About take girl in the bar for relationship.
Yeah, no. Bar girl become the best or good wife. Do you agree?
Bar
on
girl?
that? Yeah, bar girl.
Every girl, everyone is different. It's not problem bar girl or girl in work in the company. It's the same. If she like person, she not work in the bar, she stop, and she will live with you, and you happy.
Okay.
It's not problem bar girl or freelancer like this. No, it's depend of person. It's depend
Okay.
of girl. That's why for me even, but you need to know if girl long time work in the bar, she already have income, not same like girl who work in company. She have maybe, for example, in company salary about 500 peso one day, but in the bar she can 5,000 for one day.
For one night.
She already she want more money. Already in her mind need more. Depend of how many times she work in the bar. It also depend of girl.
Oh, yeah.
So it's bar girl or not bar girl. It's okay. It's
Okay.
depend of person.
Okay. Any closing comments or advice to viewers? What are you gonna
what
say?
you need to say to
What?
to this to all the viewers? Sorry for my voice, okay? Because it's way before.
For viewers, I want to say who want to go to the Philippines. First, you not need to thinking about you want to stay in the Philippines for long time or you want to live in the Philippines. First, to travel into Philippines, not only one place. Same me. I first come to the Philippines and traveling in Luzon. Traveling and I already see what I want.
They need to plan first before come here in the Philippines. They need to know first the place where they need to stay and how much they will gonna spend here in the Philippines. What they need to eat like this, what food they can eat like this.
And also, who go to the Philippines, you need to people need to know about money. So need to know about business because if someone thinking they go to the Philippines and they do some business, no, it's not working like this. Who go to the Philippines, you need to have enough money for living in the Philippines and not to thinking about business in the Philippines. Business in the Philippines is not easy. I already tried many times. Even I have business in China, in Russia business, in Japan. No, in the Philippines it's not the same.
Okay. Okay, so Leon and Shira, thank you so much for the interview, and you are a great and a beautiful couple, and hope soon you will finally get married. Soon or this year. Okay, so this is the end of my interview with Leon and Shira, and I will put the link to their popular channel in It's My Life. It's My Life in the Philippines on this video description, and it's a Mass Say channel and the real nitty-gritty with boots on the ground. Please subscribe to their channel and subscribe to Entertainment, and any donation to either both of his channel and my channel, so are greatly appreciated. So Leon and Shara, thank you so much, and I am so happy to meet you in person.
Thank you.
Okay, so
you.
that's it, everyone. Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Please subscribe
And
and
also
like to
subscribe
both
here.
channels.
Yes, bye.